Street food in Japan. In a small college town in the USA, two students, Sarah and Mike, received the news that would change their lives. They were selected for a study program in Japan. Both shared a love for Japanese culture and cuisine, and this opportunity was like a dream come true. Full of excitement and curiosity, they boarded the plane to Tokyo, eager to embrace this new adventure. Upon their arrival in Tokyo, the city's vibrant energy immediately captivated them. The skyscrapers, the bustling crowds, and the blend of traditional and modern architecture were like nothing they had ever seen. One evening, after their classes, Sarah suggested, "Let's explore the street food here. I've heard so much about it." Mike, equally enthusiastic, agreed, and they set off to discover the flavors of Tokyo. Their first stop was a small yakitori stand, nestled in a lively street corner. The smell of grilled chicken and the sound of sizzling skewers filled the air. Sarah, usually shy, surprised herself by trying to order in Japanese. The vendor smiled warmly at her attempt, guiding them through the menu. They laughed and shared their first skewers, marveling at the delicious, smoky flavor. As they walked through the neon-lit streets, they stumbled upon a takoyaki stall. The sight of the vendor skillfully flipping the dough balls in the pan fascinated them. Mike, who was always more adventurous with food, convinced Sarah to try them. The hot, crispy outside with the tender octopus inside was a delightful new experience for them. Between bites, they talked about their classes, their families back home, and their aspirations. They found comfort in each other's company, sharing not just the food, but their hopes and fears about this new chapter in their lives. Their next discovery was a tiny ramen shop, tucked away in an alley. The warm, inviting aroma of the broth and the cheerful chatter of the locals created a cozy atmosphere. Sharing a bowl of ramen, they felt a sense of belonging. This simple meal, in a city far from home, somehow made them feel connected to the culture and the people around them. As they walked back to their dorm, their hearts and stomachs full, they reflected on their evening. "I can't believe we're actually here, experiencing all of this," Mike said, his eyes shining with excitement. Sarah nodded, feeling a deep sense of gratitude for the opportunity and the friendship they were building. Their journey in Japan was just beginning, but they already knew that these experiences, these flavors, and these moments of connection would stay with them forever. For Sarah and Mike, Tokyo was not just a place to study. It was a place where they were learning about the world, about life, and about themselves.